Sprint Spark is out to really outgun the competition when it comes to throughput this holiday season and well beyond. We're taking a look at one of the first phones on Sprint Spark network, and what it's doing is aggregating multiple channels in the 1.9, 800 megahertz, and 2.5 gigahertz, and the end result is what we're seeing here on a Galaxy Mega. Using speedtest.net, we're at 52 megabits down and 16 up. Obviously, this is under ideal conditions, but Sprint's saying that end users are going to see anywhere between 50 and 60 megabits per second at peak speeds in 5 of their first launch cities, one of which will be New York. We're here in San Francisco area for Sprint's Innovation Lab. But the idea is that you're going to get much faster speeds than you get today. To give you an idea, today's 4G LTE phones get anywhere between 5 and 12 megabits per second, so you're going to get as much as 5 times the speed as regular LTE. Sprint says that this little logo right here is going to light up on the Mega and other devices to say Spark as opposed to 4G LTE, so you'll know when you're going to be getting those fastest speeds. But what about beyond today? So after these phones launch, let's say in the middle of next year, they're going to be aggregating 2 of their 20 megahertz channels into 40 megahertz of spectrum, and with that you're going to be getting throughput in excess of 200 megabits per second. Again, this is more ideal conditions, but you can see that Sprint is on a path that it's going to offer much better throughput than it is today. And when you put 3 channels together, equaling 60 megahertz, we're looking at over a gigabit down in throughput. So yes, this is the lab, and we want to see what's going to happen in the real world, but I think this Samsung phone over here gives us an idea that Sprint is certainly out to outgun the competition when it comes to throughput, and we'll be more than happy with in excess of 30 megabits per second, never mind 50 on a regular basis. And if you're going to get unlimited data with those speeds, then Sprint could certainly convince some people to switch over to their network. This is Mark Spoonauer with Laptop Magazine, and this is our first look at Sprint Spark.